Hello, everybody. The purpose of this class is to know the planning of a daily lesson plan. So this material is used to write in a description of how students will move toward attaining specific objectives during the class or during the week. At this moment, I will share a lesson plan so we can check some of the important things to consider. Here we have a lesson plan. This is for a week, for a weekly sessions. So some important things that we need to check here is the name of the teacher, the dates from the classes, what are the hours that we have to complete, the Zoom link, because students need to know the link so they can enroll all of the classes. The learning objective, in this case, this is about Unit 12, so this is a general objective about the whole unit. Then we can check some of the activities that we are going to plan during the week. For example, if we have four classes during the week, on Monday we can check some information about grammar and vocabulary. Then the next day we can probably do some exercises, some reading or listening section. The next day we can practice some of the writing section using the grammar and using the vocabulary. In the last class, we can check some of the speaking using the whole information from the unit. Each class, it's important to consider a warm-up because the students need to remember the activities and the materials that we check the last class. About the contents and activities, we have to describe all of them and checking all of the resources that they can join. For example, in online resources, maybe use the book or maybe a handout that we can provide to the students, probably by the Moodle platform or by the chat here in the Zoom class. About the assessment and the homework, we can check those information uploading in the platform or probably checking in the break rooms. So after giving the instructions, students can do the activity, and before finishing the class, we can check with all of the groups or maybe if the activity is individual. We need to use also some other resources, maybe in this case by internet. In this lesson, we check about grammar second conditional. So here, after the explanation about the teacher provide, using slides, students could check a YouTube video so they can reinforce the information. And also we can use other applications like EducaPlay and share activities to the students so they can do some of them here in the classes using the break rooms. So I will share you the activity from the EducaPlay so we can know one of the activities that they can do. And this is a useful exercise because you can only share the link and the students can start working on that when they are in groups. So here you have to check the instructions and do the activity. Well, this is the whole part of the lesson class explanation. Thank you very much for your attention.